Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there was a papa bear, a mama bear, and a baby bear who lived in a small cottage in the jungle. And there was a little girl named Goldilocks who lived with her family. One morning, Goldilocks was playing and she entered the forest. That morning, the bears made porridge for breakfast. The porridge was very hot, so they decided to go for a walk in the forest. While walking through the forest, Goldilocks came across a house with a huge door. She was very eager to go inside. Hello, is anybody inside there? There was no answer. So she walked right in through the door. She saw a table, and on that table there were 3 bowls of porridge. Goldilocks was hungry. That porridge smells good. She says, let me eat some. Goldilocks went to the first bowl and started tasting some porridge. Ouch! This porridge is too hot. I burnt my tongue. So she tasted the porridge from the second bowl. Oh, this porridge is too cold. Then she tasted the last bowl of porridge. The porridge is just right. After having the breakfast, she was feeling a little tired. So she walked into the living room where she saw the 3 chairs. Goldilocks sat in the first chair to rest her feet. Then she said, this chair is too big. So she sat in the second chair. Then she said, this chair is too big, too big. So now she tried the last chair, the smallest chair. This chair is just right. But just as she sat down onto the chair, it broke. Oh no! Goldilocks was very tired now. She had no place to rest. So she decided to go upstairs to the bedroom. She lay down on the first bed. This one is too hard for me, she said. Then she lay down on the second chair. Oh, this one is too soft for me, she said. Then she lay down on the third bed. This one is just right. As she was sleeping, the 3 bears came home. Someone has been eating my porridge, said the papa bear. Someone has been eating my porridge too, said the mama bear. Someone has been eating my porridge too, and they ate it up all. Someone sat on my chair, said the papa bear. Someone sat on my chair too, said the mama bear. Someone sat on my chair and they had broken it all into pieces. Then they decided to look around some more. When they got upstairs to the bedroom, Papa Bear shouted, "Someone's been sleeping in my bed." Then the Mama Bear shouted, "Someone is being sleeping in my bed too." Then the baby bear shouted, "Someone has been sleeping in my bed and it's a human and she is still here," exclaimed the scared baby bear. Just as the 3 bears went towards her, Goldilocks woke up. "Help! Help! Somebody help me!" She just jumped and ran down to the stairs, opened the door, and ran away into the forest. And she never came back again.